Hi, and welcome to Essential Jobs. In this video we will be discussing the role of a web developer. This is a job which you have probably heard about, or you may know someone who is currently a web developer. We will discuss what the job is, how you can obtain a web developer role, and the pay, pros and cons, and trends in the profession. A web developer is someone who specializes in the development of websites. They are responsible for the coding, designing, and layout of websites. A web developer may also be involved in the maintenance and updates of an existing website. Web developers typically work in an office environment. Further, you can find most web developer roles allow for fully remote work, meaning that you can work anywhere in the world. There are many different types of web developers, each with their own area of expertise. The most common type of web developer is a front-end developer. Front-end developers are responsible for the visual aspects of a website. They work with the code that determines how a website looks and functions. Back-end developers are responsible for the functionality of a website. They work with the server-side code that makes a website work. Full-stack developers are responsible for both the front-end and back-end development of a website. There are many different programming languages that web developers use to build websites. The most common programming language is HTML. Other popular programming languages include CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and SQL. One of the many great things about a career as a web developer is that there is no one-size-fits-all pathway to become one. However, the best way to become a web developer is to get a degree in computer science or a related field. Alternatively, you can learn the skills you need through online courses, by attending and completing a coding bootcamp, or by working with an experienced web developer. If you do become a web developer, the career prospects for web developers are excellent. The demand for skilled web developers is high, and the salaries are competitive. Web developers with experience can earn salaries of $100,000 or more per year. Entry-level web developers can expect to earn salaries of $50,000 or more per year. The benefits of being a web developer include the potential to earn a high salary, the ability to work from anywhere in the world, and the opportunity to use your creativity to build websites that people will use every day. Even the current website you are on, YouTube, was created through the work of web developers. The challenges of being a web developer include the need to stay up to date with new technologies, the possibility of working long hours, and the pressure to meet deadlines. Some of the trends impacting web developers include the rise of artificial intelligence, the growth of the Internet of Things, and the popularity of responsive design. The most important thing for a web developer to remember is that the Internet is always changing. New technologies are being created all the time, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends. Thanks for watching this vid on web developers. We hope you found it insightful and helpful. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Essential Jobs. We aim to bring you information on jobs and careers that will benefit you on your professional journey.